Welcome back, children. So today we are going to talk about seasons. Now rainy season is going on. We all know because frequently we can see rain, but before rainy season we can see summer, and after rainy season we see winter. So mainly we see these three seasons. If we look into this middle of rainy and winter, we can see autumn. Sometime between winter and summer, if we see spring season. So there are mostly we see three main seasons, and two seasons we can see them, we observe them, because spring is the season when we see lots of flower blooming around, and autumn is the time when we see trees shading their leaves. And now we are going to know details about these three main seasons. So let's start. Now let's talk about summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. In this season the temperature becomes so high that water starts to evaporate very quickly. But this is the time when schools get their summer vacation. We love to get this vacation. But actually the weather becomes hotter and hottest. Summers starts from the last of March and till in the first phase of June, summer continues. This season, in this time period, we get lots and lots of variety of fruits and vegetables. And this is the season in which farmers prepare their land for the new crops. The sky becomes clear, there are no clouds to give shade, and sun shines very brightly. In this season, generally, we love to stay under the fan, or under the AC, under the cooler. We drink lots and lots of water in this time. Not only that, this time we eat ice cream, we love to enjoy ice cream and different kinds of cold foods. Sometimes in winter vacation, we move on to a cold place to enjoy our vacation. In this season, generally we love to wear cotton clothes. That is the best for us in the humid hot summer. Rainy season. Rainy season is a time when we see lots of rain showers and refreshing breeze. It is the time when we see that after summer season, rainy seasons come and everything was dry in the summer. Now it is the time when God gives us the blessings. He sends us rain, and with the help of rain, everywhere the green comes back once again in the life, and we feel cool, we feel pleasant. There we can see lots of fruits and flowers on the trees. They look so fresh and colorful and refreshing for us. We generally wear raincoats, wear gumboots, and we use umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. We love to eat different kinds of foods, and even there are many more fruits and vegetables available during this season. Winter season mostly comes at the end of the year. Winter season usually starts in the month of November and ends in February. During winter, the weather is very cold and the temperature falls. December and January are the coldest months of the season. In this period of time, some places face heavy snowfalls and hailstorms. Like in Kashmir, we can see snowfall. People wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters, coats, etc. Some also burn little pieces of wood to get some warmth. Hot drinks and eatables are preferred by people to keep themselves warm. This season offers us lots of fresh fruits and vegetables like oranges, kiwis, bananas, apples, radish, carrots, and green vegetables. We love to drink hot milk. Even we love to eat different kind of soups in the winter season. During winters, we love to sleep under the quilt and read books at home. This is the month when we see Christmas as a festival, and it is one of the biggest festival of year or of the winter season, mostly for the Christians, but in India we all celebrate Christmas in a great way. This is page number 27. Circle what you would see on a cold day. So first, in the first row we can see three pictures. First, this one. This is a raincoat which we generally use in the rainy season. This is a juice which we drink during the summertime. This is a room heater. Yes, it helps us to stay hot during the cold days. So this we are going to circle. Next, gloves. Yes, of course, we wear a gloves in the winter season to protect ourselves from the cold. So circle this one. And of course, where we can see snowfall, we love to make this snowman with the snow. So circle this as well. This rainbow and this rain, both we see in the rainy season. Peacock is a beautiful bird. It is also the national bird of India, we all know. Its feathers are very colorful, greenish blue in color, and we love to see peacock because of his beauty. And when it rains, peacock loves to dance. Peacock can fold its wings, and then it can open it up when it starts dancing. So we love to see them dancing all around. Generally their voice are very harsh, but they look wise they are the most beautiful bird we have ever seen. They generally stays in forest. We never see them in the neighborhoods, but yes, in some part of our country we see these peacocks. Now, sparrow is a very small kind of bird. Sparrow is generally brown in color. It brown and gray in color. There are two types of sparrows. One is house sparrow and another one is Java sparrow. These two sparrows we mainly see near our houses. It flies here and there. It loves to eat fruits. It eats some small insects. We are going to talk about hen. Hen have different colors. They don't have any fixed color. They lay eggs and we eat meats from them. Their babies are known as chicks, and they make sounds early in the morning. Even the whole day we can hear the sound, their noise, but they mainly we can hear their sound early in the morning. So hen, we can say it is a very useful bird for us children. Now today we are going to know little bit more about some birds. So first let us talk about parrot. We know parrot is a beautiful bird, and parrot has different sizes like large, medium, small. It can live up to 30 years, more than 30 years. There are many colors of parrots can be seen in this whole world. Mainly they love to stay in the summer countries where the hot and humid weather is there. And we can see black, blue, brown, grey, multicolor, orange, red. They are all species of different kinds of parrot. Parrot has a beak, curved beak, with which it eats, it climbs. Even These parrots, they have some unique features. Their beak is very hard, and uh, they use it for climbing, holding things, of course eating. Parrot lay eggs, and in the morning we can see the loud noise of the parrot. Yes, they are very noisy bird and they love to stay in groups. Duck is mainly a yellow color bird. We can see white color as well, and sometimes we can see different mixed color uh, ducks as well. They love to stay in the pond. They have a web feet. Web feet means their legs are joined, their feet are joined because they swim in the pond. They love to stay, love to play with water, and their babies are known as ducklings. We see ducks in our neighborhood. If you see any pond, you will find out some ducks over there uh, playing in the water, roaming around, and generally 2-3 numbers in total they move around in the pond. Crow is a bird which we see around us. They are generally black in color. They make a loud noise, and they eat all kinds of foods. They fly here and there. They make nests to lay their eggs, and they have a very sharp beak. With the help of the beak, they eat, they tear the different kinds of food. They are known as they are also known as nature sweepers because they take away all the things, and they eat all the things which is around us. They can eat any kind of food, so they clean our neighbor. That's why we call them natural sweeper. This is page number 28. We have already discussed about the birds. Write the first letter to complete the names of these birds. So in the first row we can see there are two birds. One is sparrow and the another one is crow. So what is the spelling of sparrow? S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. So can you see this S over here? So this you have to stress. You have to write the first letter. So stress this. Now next one is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. So C you have to trace with pencil. In the next row we can see here parrot and hen. So P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So P is in capital letter, and this P you have to trace. Here you can see hen, H-E-N, hen. So H will be in capital letter and you have to trace this. Next, last two words, duck and peacock. Again D-U-C-K, duck. So you have to trace the duck. And then peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P you have to also trace. So children, now this is worksheet number 20, page number 29. Match the following vehicles to their wheels. We all know about transport. So first we can see here, this is a picture of a car. This is a picture of a car. So first let us find out its wheel. This is a wheel, this is a wheel, this is this. Any guess work you can do? Look this picture. Can you see this design, this flower thing? So let us find, we have seen this. Now let us find the wheels again. Yes, this is the one. So we have to match this wheel with the car. Now next one is a engine. So we can see this wheel. There are two wheels. So now we have to match this wheel with this. Next, let us see, this is a tanker. We know this is known as tanker. So can you see this wheel? It's something different. So let us find out here. Yes, this is the one. So match this with this wheel. Now what is this? This is a bicycle. This also moves on roads. So all are land transport. These all are land transport. So with this bicycle, can you see these wheels? So this is the wheel. So match it.